In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in WPS Office. If you write reports, resumes, or forms in WPS Writer, getting the page size right is essential for clean printing and professional PDFs. Different regions and printers expect different paper standards, so choosing the correct size helps your layout look exactly the way you intend. First, open your document in WPS Writer. Launch WPS Office, then open the file you want to adjust. Make sure you're in Writer, not spreadsheet or presentation. It's a good idea to save a copy before you make layout changes, especially if the document is already formatted tightly. Next, look to the top of the window and go to the Page Layout tab. This tab gathers all the tools that control how your document fits on the page. This is also where you'll find margins, columns, and other page setup controls. Inside Page Layout, click the Size option. This opens a menu that controls the physical dimensions of your pages. Now choose a page size. The most common options are A4, letter, and legal. A4 is the international standard used in most countries and is perfect for reports and assignments. Letter is widely used in the United States and Canada for everyday documents. Legal is slightly longer and is often preferred for contracts or forms that need extra space. If you see other sizes in the list, you can also pick another preset if it better fits your output. After you select a size, the change applies immediately. You'll see your pages adjust in the editing area, and your text may reflow to accommodate the new dimensions. This can alter page count, line breaks, and how images wrap. Take a quick pass through your document to confirm headings, tables, and graphics still look right. That's all there is to it. Open your file, head to Page Layout, click Size, choose A4, Letter, or Legal, and your document updates on the spot. Before printing or exporting to PDF, make sure your printer or PDF settings use the same paper size to avoid scaling surprises. With that set, your document will look consistent across screens and on paper. Thanks for watching. If this helped you standardize your document layout, consider keeping a note of which size your team or printer prefers so you can set it correctly every time.